What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the APS 1BX. This is going to be our hanger kit for a 2 to 7,000 pound single trailer axle with double eye springs. This is a weld-on kit. You do have to weld these hangers to your trailer frame. Right here you can see this is the box you'll get with our logo on it. You can see right here we will get 2 front hangers, 2 rear hangers, 4 shackle straps, 6 shackle bolts, and 6 nuts for your shackle bolts. These are the locking nuts, and these are 9/16 by 3-inch shackle bolts. We're going to measure these out. So your front hanger, the way we measure them is from the welded portion to the center of the bolt. So these are going to be about 1 1/8, 1 3/8. And this is going to be about 1 1/8. For these rear hangers, you just pop your shackle bolt through your shackle strap, pop it through here, pop another shackle strap on, put your locking nut on, and then your spring is going to sit right here, and you'll just pop your shackle bolt through these shackle straps and through your spring. And then for the front, you're going to weld this portion up, and your spring goes right here. You just pop your shackle bolt through, pop your locking nut on. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Check us out on Facebook. That was the APS 1BX.